Imagine walking into a store to buy a car. You see Volvo, BMW, and Toyota. Even before looking at the specifications, something already comes to mind. Volvo is known for safety, BMW for performance, and Toyota for reliability. These ideas didn't appear by accident. They were carefully built over decades through a marketing strategy called positioning. Positioning is the process of creating a clear and distinct place for a brand in the customer's mind. After companies divide the market through segmentation and choose their audience through targeting, the next step is deciding how they want to be perceived by that audience. This is positioning. A strong positioning strategy answers a simple but powerful question. Why should customers choose this brand instead of another? Businesses define what makes them different and communicate that difference consistently through product design, messaging, pricing, and customer experience. One of the most famous examples of positioning is Volvo. While many car companies compete on speed, luxury, or design, Volvo deliberately positioned itself around one idea: safety. For decades, its advertising and engineering innovations emphasized protecting passengers and families. As a result, when people think about the safest cars, Volvo often comes to mind immediately. This is the power of clear positioning. Another powerful example is Apple. Apple doesn't position itself simply as a technology company. Instead, it focuses on simplicity, creativity, and premium design. Through minimalist product design, elegant packaging, and messages like Think Different, Apple positioned itself as a brand for people who value innovation and creativity. This positioning allows Apple to charge premium prices while maintaining strong brand loyalty. Positioning can also focus on price and accessibility. Walmart, for instance, built its entire strategy around the promise of everyday low prices. Customers associate Walmart with affordability and convenience. This clear value proposition attracts price-sensitive shoppers and allows Walmart to dominate large retail markets. In China, companies like Huawei and Xiaomi demonstrate different positioning strategies. Huawei positioned itself as a technology leader with strong engineering capabilities, while Xiaomi built a reputation for offering high-performance smartphones at competitive prices, appealing especially to tech-savvy consumers who want strong features without paying premium prices. Marketers often visualize positioning using a tool called a positioning map, where brands are placed on a chart based on factors such as price, quality, innovation, or performance. This helps companies identify gaps in the market and position themselves where they can stand out from competitors. The key idea behind positioning is clarity. If a brand tries to stand for too many things, customers become confused. The most successful brands focus on one or two core strengths and communicate them consistently over time. When positioning is done correctly, the brand occupies a unique and memorable place in the customer's mind. This is the Learning Studio. And in the next episode, we will explore how businesses understand the steps customers take before making a purchase through a concept called the customer journey.